The Ethereum ecosystem is buzzing with excitement, and for a good reason. Polygon, a leading name in blockchain technology, has just rolled out its open-source chain development kit. This groundbreaking toolkit is designed to supercharge the development of Layer 2 protocols on Ethereum. The chain development kit promises enhanced security and rapid transaction finality by leveraging the power of zero-knowledge proof technology. But what does this all mean for developers, users, and the broader Ethereum community? Jordi Baylina, the co-founder and technical lead at Polygon, recently shared some insights with Cointelegraph. According to Baylina, the core idea is straightforward. Creating a ZK-powered Layer 2 on Ethereum should be as easy as pie for developers, tailored to meet the unique needs of their projects. One of the standout features of Polygon's CDK is its ability to offer automatic access to liquidity. This is not limited to Polygon's chains, but extends to the entire Ethereum ecosystem. The result? On-demand scalability without fragmenting liquidity. This is a game changer for various applications, from decentralized finance, DeFi, and gaming to social platforms and NFT marketplaces. Baylina also emphasized the incredible flexibility that the CDK offers. Developers can customize their chains in multiple ways, including choosing between rollup or Validium modes, selecting different data availability solutions, and even tweaking native token and gas token settings. The toolkit also supports centralized and decentralized sequencer modes and permissioned networks with detailed allo lists. Zero-knowledge proof technology is not just a buzzword. It's the cornerstone of Polygon's vision for scaling Ethereum. Chains developed using Polygon's CDK are automatically connected to a shared ZK bridge. This bridge feeds into an interop layer, a cross-chain communication protocol that streamlines the submission of proofs to Ethereum. Baylina elaborated, "If we have thousands of chains in the Polygon ecosystem, it's inefficient for each to submit their proofs directly to Ethereum. The interop layer consolidates these proofs and submits a single ZK proof, effectively proving the state of all Polygon chains." When asked about how the CDK stacks up against other programming languages in the Ethereum ecosystem, like Starkware's Cairo, Baylina pointed out a key difference. The architecture enabled by Polygon's CDK provides automatic access to shared liquidity through its unique ZK bridge and interop layer. This sets it apart from other Layer 2 solutions that rely on less efficient fraud proofs and suffer from longer withdrawal times. In conclusion, Polygon's chain development kit is more than just another toolkit. It's a revolutionary step forward in the Ethereum ecosystem. By harnessing the power of ZK proofs, it builds better bridges between chains and fortifies them with rigorous mathematical proofs. The future of Ethereum scalability looks brighter than ever, and Polygon's CDK is leading the way. So, whether you're a developer looking to build the next big thing in DeFi, gaming, or NFTs, or simply an Ethereum enthusiast keen to understand the latest developments, Polygon's Chain Development Kit is something you can't afford to ignore.